Hi, this is Martha here with our final week of the hashtag ATC Mini Art 2025 collab hosted by Poetspice. We have posted um, our videos each Wednesday throughout August at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And our challenge in this collab was to make ATCs or artist trading coins, inches, twinchies, tags, or in other words, mini art. As usual, participants are listed in the description box below, and I hope you will go by and visit their channels and leave a comment and a thumbs up. They have really made some pretty projects this month. And as I've said before, I really enjoy ATC, so it's been a delight for me. Let me show you what I used in this final video for this collaboration. I used this little house die. It's not in the package, so I'm not sure if it's Cottage Cuts or Impression Obsession. Not sure. I used from Unity Stamps this guy, so I thought I'd give you a smile today. It's from Unity. And I mentioned before that Nicole from Relax Cut Glue uses this quote sticker book, and I'm loving it because, you know, we use the Tim Holtz, but I've used just about everything in there. What I didn't show you is that it comes black with white, it comes white with black, it comes white with gold, black with gold. Then we venture off into colors. I like that. Into more colors. So it's really good. Let me show you some of the sentiments that are in here. Okay, so I used that. And this is one of my newer dies that I'm loving because it's so thin, and what I can do is type out a sentiment and then cut it with either one of these because they come in so many different lengths. I used from Elizabeth Crafts this die, this little ATC die, this one, and this one. I used Elizabeth Crafts stamp, this one, Stay Positive and Kindness Wins. And from this Magical Moments, these little kids, aren't they just darling? And it comes with a die as well. Okay, so let me show you what I made. In the twinchies 2x2 mini arts, I made this little, I'm calling them mixed media or whatever. I tore some scrap paper here, put some of the little Tim Holtz ephemera and a little flower that was in my stash of die cuts on my desk. This one is a mente paper, and I cut this was a cut apart, so I just cut him down and he fit perfectly on my twinchie. Then for an ATC, I made this background with a punch, actually some Martha Stewart punch, and then this is a house that I showed you, and these sentiments came from that book, Rest, Respect, Strength. I think those are things that really pertain to home. And I used Elizabeth Crafts, the dies to make, and stamps to make these two. And this, it was on that, in that container with the other dies, but I didn't point it out, this ATC holder for these. Then the last one that I think is so precious, this is mente paper. This is the back side of it. I didn't put my name on it yet because I like the back side so well. And these little kids, I didn't make them for Christmas. I made them like going to a birthday party. And other than this one, I don't know what they're holding. But I think they're so cute. And this is the ATC holder for them. Okay, now to make you smile, I hope. Hey y'all. Oh my goodness. I colored them mostly the same. This one has a different color face here, and I did his eyes with the blue all over. The other ones have just the blue in the corner. Uh, and this one has a different color face here. And the rest are pretty much the same as that one. Okay. Here he is up close. And I put crystal effects on his teeth. You see how they are all nice and polished. My daughter, I showed this to my daughter, one of my daughters, and she said he should have a name. What do you think we should name him? Anyway, that's what I have for you today. This has been a real enjoyable collaboration, and I do hope today's ATCs here made you smile. Thanks so much for hanging in here with us this month. Uh, Hope you had a blast watching what everyone has made, and I hope you commented and gave everyone a thumbs up. All right, blessings to you, and Todah.